So guys, Kevin from Tactical Trading here. I just wanted to do a quick recap on my trades today. Had a nice day, $300 profit. Nothing to write home about, but $300 away, that'll keep the $300 a day will keep the real job away, right? Alright guys, so let's break them down. My first trade was BABA here. The 20 EMA was coming into play, and I liked the price action that I was seeing around that level. So I got short right here, 500 shares, 194.17 was my fill, and got a nice little washout, covered into that. Took the whole thing off for just like I think $150 or something like that. I could have got more out of it, but was just looking for a scalp. That wasn't my next trade. My next trade was on MU. Dumped pretty hard at the open, had a nice wash. Washed right down to the 100 SMA, and it looked like it wanted to bounce. If we break it down into a faster time frame, we can see we got a nice little double bottom here. The 1 minute chart, so I got long 2,000 shares, filled at 53.35. Got a quick little bounce and sold into the strength for a $211 winner. Not huge, but a couple $200 winners a day. It's alright. My next trade, AMD, which should have been my best trade of the day, was my only loser. This beautiful complex trend line came into play, and I loved the price action that I was seeing. If we back it out, let's go to a 2-year chart. You can see that we have multiple interactions. We got one starting here, so boom, boom, reject, wash, reject, boom, and then it's coming into play today right here. And if we go to an intraday chart, you can see that it dumped hard at the open, rolled off this level here, dumped hard. I didn't catch it on this, so I was looking for the retest of this trend line, and I got it. I got exactly what I was looking for, but I got spiked. I got short right here, 4,000 shares, and I was looking for this move right here. That would have been a $1,000 winner, but I got spiked out in this candle right here. Okay, so if we break it down to the 5-minute chart, which I should have been paying attention to, I should have waited for this candle to close over the trend line and then exit the position. But I wasn't wanting to get spiked. I kept the loss small, $80 loss. You can live with the $80 loss. I was risking $80 to $100 to make $800 to $1,000. If your risk reward is like that all the time, you'll be a profitable trader. I opened a swing trade on the SPYs. Right at the market close right here, I got 20 contracts, 20 put contracts. I think it's a 278 strike. And this thing freaking ripped post market after hours. So I'll probably be cutting that off tomorrow for a pretty substantial loss, unless the futures market decides to roll over tonight, which it's not looking like it wants to. But I just felt like the SPYs have been, the market's been ripping. The trade talks have kind of been put on the back burner, and I think the market's got a little ahead of itself, but we'll see. Alright guys, have a good one. Thank you. Subscribe and like if you